Do you want to make better outfits on Roblox? Maybe you want to make your avatar look more unique. Or maybe you just don't want to look like that guy. Well, then you've come to the right place, because today I'll be telling you how you can improve your outfits around the limitations of Roblox so that you can make informed decisions and create the outfit you've always dreamed of making. Yes, even if you have no Robux. I'll mention that briefly towards the end of the video. But before we get started, we need to find some inspiration, because a good outfit always comes from a good idea. You can draw inspiration from a particular artwork that stuck with you. Or maybe a vibe. Maybe it's the mood from a song. Maybe there's a really cool hat that you want to base your outfit around. Or maybe you're trying to tell a story for an OC. Really get creative with these things. The more personal an avatar is, the more unique it will be, and the more you will try to make it look good. And for the love of all that's holy, please stop basing your entire outfit idea on one color and one expensive hat. I'm looking at you, Roblox developers. You have an entire rainbow, darker and lighter shades, a million other accessories that complement it, and you decided on a bright red suit and a bright red top hat. Like, try experimenting with different things, or at least make your one color outfit actually interesting. But that's just my opinion. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of the dev look, because it's definitely overrated in my opinion. Now that you have a general idea for what kind of outfit you're going for, next you need to check if it's possible to make your outfit on Roblox. The best way to do this is to go on Catalog Avatar Creator and start browsing for all the accessories that you want to mix and match. Is there a wide selection of accessories and clothing for your idea? If there isn't, then can you work with what you have now? If you can't find anything directly related to your idea, try searching for similar key terms. For example, if you're looking for a blue jacket, try searching for blue punk, blue survivor, blue biker, or something similar. Even if you don't always find what you want, you might be surprised at what other options are available. If you like the style and quality of an outfit, but it's not what you're looking for, then try looking through the similar results, or try checking the creator of the outfit and see if they have other similar clothing. It also helps to know what style is associated with popular search words or trends, so you can search them if they work for your outfit. Y2K usually consists of edgy clothing that often tries to be realistic. Preppy is known for really bright pink and blue outfits. Battle or combat can be used to find tactical outfits. Rural can be used to find casual countryside clothing. And then weirdcore is like you're on drugs or something? I don't really know. Now here are some general tips for designing your outfit. Balance the light and dark areas of your costume and make sure that they are distributed evenly or in good fashion. If your outfit has a black shirt and black pants with white shoes, then it's probably better to add more white on your outfit or use black shoes instead. Maintain consistency and quality. If you're trying to match the same shade of color on your shirt and pants, then make sure that your pants don't look noticeably darker or brighter, unless that is what you're going for. Also make sure that you pair realistic shirts with realistic pants. Your outfit wouldn't look too good if you were wearing a cartoon hoodie with super realistic jeans. Also, if you see multiple versions of the same clothing, make sure to choose the most high quality one, which is usually the one that is least pixelated or blurry. Consider using the color wheel. Try adding complementary colors to make your outfit look more interesting. If you don't know how to use the color wheel, then please learn it. It's really helpful for creating anything in life, actually. No? Still don't want to learn it? Then try searching for color palettes relating to your color or theme. Those help a ton. It's also important to consider what areas of your outfit draw the most attention, which is usually the brightest area or any area that stands out. We can control where our outfit is most prominent by using accent colors, which are basically colors that appear very rarely in your outfit. 3D usually looks better. Adding accessories that fit well with your shirts or pants will make your outfit pop out more. It's normally better to use a skirt accessory than it is to wear skirt pants. Also, it's normally better to wear a bow tie accessory than having a shirt that gives you a bow tie. Move and adjust accessories. Thanks to a recent Roblox update, you can move, rotate, and scale accessories by small amount. The Catalog Avatar Creator also has this feature, but right now it's a bit buggy. Moving and scaling is useful for hiding special effects and adjusting your accessories. For example, maybe you want to tip up your sunglasses, or make them actually align to your eyes. Please make sure that the accessory can be adjusted on Roblox before buying. As of now, only accessories that attach to your head can be adjusted. That includes face accessories and hat accessories. Hairs cannot be adjusted. Bypass the hat limit. Roblox will only let you have 3 hats, 1 hair, and 1 face accessory. Obviously, this is super limiting, but there's actually a way to bypass this. If you go to Roblox on the browser, you can click Advanced and then paste all the asset IDs of accessories you want to wear into the box. Then you can go back to the Roblox app and adjust while your accessories are being worn. Use t-shirts. You can use a t-shirt to add to the front of your outfit. Add scars, add badges, change up the logo. You can do a lot of things with t-shirts. For my avatar, I use a t-shirt to cover up my collar so that my hood accessory works with the shirt I'm wearing. So that's all the tips I have for you guys. Huh? What's that? You have 0 Robux, so you can't make a decent outfit? Well, here are a few final tips I can give for people who don't have Robux. Hoard event items. Play through Roblox events and get any accessories/shirts you think have potential. You'll be surprised what items you can obtain for free. Get free Robux legally and without begging. You can actually earn Robux by using Microsoft points. The way it works is you hop onto the Bing search engine and then you start searching stuff and completing small tasks. Once you accumulate 3,000 points on your Microsoft account, you can exchange it for 200 Robux. For those of you who hate how slow it is to earn points, then my advice is to try and use your initial 200 Robux to make a profit by selling shirts. So that's all the tips I have for you guys. Remember that at the end of the day, a good outfit is really subjective, and what matters most is that you like what you're wearing on Roblox. But please stop dressing up as headless emos. If I see another one in my game, then I swear I will